Melt 1 tablespoon of sweet cream unsalted butter in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Do this on high heat and then add 1 small onion chopped and 1 large tomato chopped. Saute the onions and tomatoes 2 to 3 minutes, then add 1 tablespoon of ground garlic. Stir well and saute another couple minutes. It's great to prepare your saltfish in advance. Soak the saltfish in boiling water to release the extra salt. Add the prepared saltfish to your sauteed onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Lower the heat to medium. Stir well and continue cooking for a few more minutes. I'm frying down the saltfish until it gets like a crispy exterior and starts to brown. At the end, you can add a few sprigs of cilantro if you like. Stir in the cilantro and then remove from the heat and serve. This is how your saltfish is going to look when it's done cooking, nice and crispy and brown.